Okay, now yesterday we talked about what? Surface area. We said the surface area of the prisms or the pyramid, it's the total of the areas of all the faces of that prism or that pyramid. And we said that if we have, like, for example, the rectangular prism here, it is the area of all of its faces, and it has how many faces? Six faces. Means I have six areas, right? But we put two for it here because sometimes, or not sometimes, always, the opposite faces are what? Equal. So if this is 20 centimeter power 2, then this should be 20 centimeter power 2. That's why I put two for each area, right? And for the rectangular prism only, we have a special formula like the volume. Remember? The volume for the rectangular prism was length by width by height. The surface area for the rectangular prism, you can follow this formula. 2 times length width, 2 times length height, 2 times width height. Okay? If you have the length, the width, the height, you can apply this formula. Then you will find what? For the rectangular prism only. Okay? If you have a triangular prism, like this one here, the triangular prism from its name means the bases. You have two bases as triangles, right? And how many rectangles it has? It's like a tent. It's like what? A tent. So if you have a tent, you have rectangle, triangle here, and the three rectangles. One like this, and one on the floor, right? So you have two triangles, and the triangles are what? Congruent. The prism has the two bases are always congruent, right? So here to find the surface area of the triangular prism, first step, you find area of one triangle, multiply it by 2. Why by 2? Because we have two triangles and they are equal in area. So 2 multiply area of one triangle of them, then the area of the three rectangles. And we took example about it, like this one here, this triangle and this here triangle. I think this is example 2, page 489. You can see it in front of you. It's a little bit hard to draw it, okay? So you can see the figure from your book. You have two triangles in the front and at the back. So here 2 multiply the area of the triangle plus the area of the first rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle, then you add the areas. Do you understand it? And we took a check, I think. Check, same idea. You can see the figure in the check. Any problem? Now, yesterday we talked about what? Surface area of prisms. Today, in the surface area of a prisms, focus that you have two bases. You have what? Now, today we will take what? Surface area of pyramids. Surface area, but today for pyramids. Okay? Now for the pyramid, let's remember the pyramid has only one base. This base can be rectangle, can be triangle, can be square. So can be trapezoid. Check. Can be any figure. So it has one base. So we find the area of this base, right? But how about the sides around for the pyramid? All are triangles. So do you understand me? For example, if you have, look here, if you have square pyramid, what's this? Square pyramid means the base is square, okay? Square pyramid means how many faces we have? Down, we have one face, right? And around 4, together 5 faces, right? So we have area of the square down, and we have 4 triangles up, okay? Now look at the triangles up. For example, the first triangle in front of us, this base, right? And this is its height, Sheikh. And the triangle here, this one, it is the same of this base, right? Because it's a square, so, and it has the same height and same base, same height, and on the back, same base and same height. So if you have a square prism, which is very important, I will give it special case. ركز معي. Special case mean square prism. When we use this case, if we have square pyramid, okay? So if we have square pyramid, look at the surface area now. The surface area equal. It has two parts. The first part, the area of the square. صح? We know the area of the square. It's S power 2. Don't forget that. So area of the square. This is the first part. Plus 4 multiply area of one triangle, because the 4 triangles, all of them has the same base, the same height, so they have the same area. No need to find the area of this triangle alone, this triangle alone, and this alone, and this alone, right? They have the same area. So 4 multiply area of 1 is enough. So how many areas we have here? We have 5 areas. Area of the square and 4 areas for the triangle, right? You understand it? But this, when we use it, if we have square pyramid type, if we have rectangular pyramid, look at the rectangular pyramid. Now in the rectangular pyramid, focus please. The rectangle has length and has width. ركز. The height, it is the same for all the triangles, right? The height of the pyramid, it is the same height of all the triangles. So always the triangles have the same height, right? Good. What the difference here? The bases. In the square pyramid, the bases are equal for the whole triangles. That's why it's enough to find area of 1. But if we have a rectangular pyramid, length different from the width. So this base different from this base, right? Right. This base different from this base. This length and also here same length, right? Means the triangle in the front and the triangle in the back are congruent. Focus. Focus, huh? We have length. They have the same base. You have to sit down. No, there, sit down. I let him to sit here. So, ركز. Rectangular pyramid means length equal length. Means the triangle with this length equal the triangle with this length, right? Do you understand, Yarakan? How about the widths? This width, same of this width, right? This width, same of this width, means this triangle here, same of this triangle here, right? So we have pairs of equal triangles. The triangles with the same length, they are equal. The triangle with the same width, they are what? Equal. Equal, I mean congruent. You understand? So here we have 2 pairs for the square prism. How many equally triangles? 4. For the rectangular pyramid, why I say prism? For the rectangular pyramid, okay, we have 4 triangles up. Okay, now the area of the rectangle length by width. نعرفه. Still mean the 4 triangles up, right? From the 4 triangles up, 2 of them are equal because they same base length, صح? And 2 of them because the same base width, right? Do you understand? Good. So what we will say? We will say the area of the rectangular pyramid equal first area of the rectangle plus 2 for the widths and 2 for the triangles with the lengths. Got it? But I won't write a formula for it. We will keep it as an idea for the examples, okay? So if you have rectangular prism, rectangular pyramid, okay? If we have rectangular pyramid, you keep the look on the base down. So rectangle means length, they are the same height. Triangles with the same base, same height. They have the same area. No need to find both of them. Enough to find and multiply by, because they are the same. And the triangles with the same width as bases, no need to find both of them. It is enough to find and multiply by. But don't forget to find the area of the rectangle because it's a face. Got it? So we have two cases here. Square prism, square pyramid, okay? Square pyramid, area of the square plus 4 multiply area of 1, because the 4 triangles have the same base. صح? Area of surface area of the rectangular pyramid تختلف. ما في equal triangles up. We have pairs of pair means what? 2. يعني 2 triangles equal or 2 triangles equal. Done. Let's go to example 3, page 491. Yeah. Take a look to example 3. Is it square pyramid or rectangular pyramid? Square pyramid. So it's about this idea, okay? Yeah. Take a look to it. So example 3, page 491. We have a square pyramid. Wait, we have one of them here. This is a triangular pyramid, no square pyramid, right? Square pyramid. What are the dimensions for? Here we have 4.5, 4.5, صح? And here also 4.5 means, and here also, here 4.5, and here. So this equal to this, equal to this, equal to this, right? The height, how much? How we know that this is the height? At the end, what we have? Right angle. So this is the height, okay? So here the height, I will make it with the red color. Here they wrote the height for you. How much? 11 and 1 over 4. This height is the same height for this triangle, the in front one. This triangle on the left, and the triangle where? On the back. Right. So what we have now, we have a square pyramid. We can find the area of the square easily, right? And we have 4 congruent triangles up. Why? Because we have 4 same bases and 4 same what? Heights. Got it? So what's the surface area equal? Look here. Area, we said area of the square 4 multiply type equal. This is the general formula. But this formula for what? Square pyramid only. Okay? Yeah. This is equal. Area of the square S times S, right? They length by width, but they are the same. So for here S times S or S power 2, same. Plus 4 multiply area of one triangle half BH. Remember? Remember? Yeah, equal. S multiply S 4.5 multiply 4.5. صح? This is the area of the square down plus 4 multiply half multiply base height for what هدول? For what هيدو هذه? For one triangle. And choose one triangle. What's the base? 4.5. And the height? 11 and 1 over 4. Now multiply, add, subtract. The answer will be, we have 4.5 multiply 4.5 plus 4 multiply half multiply 4.5 multiply 11.25, 1 over 4, right? The answer will be 121 and half exactly. 121 and half. What's the unit? Yes. Square inches. Do you understand? Look at your book here. I did this example, right? But look how much the book takes to solve. Whole page, right? Whole page. But you can solve it with one general formula, one step, and one simplification. Do you understand? Mm. Yeah. Yeah, for these numbers, yes, it's okay. I put it for 0.5. 1 over 2, it is 0.5. 1 over 4, 0.25. 3 over 4, 75, صح? You can make it as decimals, عادي. By the way, I told you in your calculator here, do you have SD here? No. Type 1 divided by 2. In the scientific calculators, some of them, you have one click, you turn it from decimal to fraction or a fraction to decimal. No, not the mobiles one. Okay? Done? It's your skills. It's your skills. You do what you want. It's only calculations. Okay? Now, are done with example 3? Example 3. Done? Yeah, let's go to the check after this example. Now, I will give you a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, to do the check, each one by yourself. Each one by yourself, follow this way. Because in the check, what we have? Square, pyramid, right? Yalla, do it. So we are in the check page 492. We have this square pyramid. Square pyramid here 6.4 and here 6.4. If they are equal, square pyramid. If they are not equal, rectangular pyramid, right? Fine. Square pyramid. And here the height given for this triangle 6.1, and they want the surface area because it's square pyramid. Let's follow the formula, the surface area of the square pyramid, right? Equal area of the square plus 4 multiply area of one triangle is enough. Equal area of the square s by s, or s power of 2 multiply or plus 4 multiply area of one triangle. The formula apply equal s by s, يعني 6.4 multiplies 6.4 times 6.4, 4 multiply 6.4 والهايت الآن بتطلع 119.04. The unit centimeter power 2 because we are talking about area. Do you understand? This is the check, page 492. Notice that the example and the check have the same idea, square pyramid. But I'll give you example if we have rectangular pyramid. Extra example for you, okay? Yeah, extra example. If we have rectangular pyramid, focus. If we have rectangular pyramid, means we have different length and width. Assume this is 6 meter, this is 4 meters. Okay. Now the height for all the triangles up, let's say it is 9. Done. So here we have rectangular pyramid, different from the square pyramid. Surface area equal. Surface area equal. Area of the rectangle. Area of the, which is length by width, right? 6 times 4. 6 multiply 4 plus. Now here I have 2 pairs. This how much? 4. If this 6, this one in the back, how much? 6. So we have 6, 6, 4, 4. But the height is the same for all the 4 triangles, which is 9, right? So let's take the 6 and the 6. How many triangles with the same base? 2. So here 2 multiply one of them. One area of them, right? What's the area? Half multiply base 6, height 9. I'm done with the first pair with base 6, right? Now the second pair, with base what? 4. Bardo, how many triangles with base 4? 2 multiply base 4, height 9. Done? Calculate. This is a 24. This 54. This 36. Add these 3 numbers. 100. Are you sure? 114 meter 40. Done. So if you have a square pyramid, we took the idea. If we have rectangular pyramid, this is extra example for you. How about if we have triangular pyramid? In your homework, you have one question similar, اللي هو like question 6. See it? هلا in question 5, what you have? Square pyramid, we know the idea. In question 6, you have triangular pyramid. Focus, please. I will give you extra example about the triangular pyramid. So I want you to do the homework by yourself. Okay? Yeah. Another extra example. You can copy these examples. Extra example. Focus, please. Focus. This is the base. It has. لا. This is the base. Type. And these are the triangles up, right? So how many triangles we have? How many faces? يا ابني ركز. 4. The floor and the 3 around. صح? So we have 4 triangles. Are these triangles equally? Depending on the sides, down on the bases. If the base is down equal, then the triangles are equal. Up. If the base is not equal, then it's not. I will say that they are not equal. For example, this side here, 5 centimeters. This side here, 7 centimeters. This side here, 6 centimeters. Okay? and the height of the floor, of what? The floor of the base. Let's say 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters. Done? لا, the height of the base هذا. Do you have height up? No. The height up, I will give it in the red one. Let's say it is 10 centimeters. Okay? So how many triangles here we have? 4 triangles. Each triangle has its own area. Surface area equal. But take a look to the question in your homework. Look, the base is down. See the triangle on the floor? The base. The 3 sides are equal, right? 12.2, 12.2, 12.2, right? And it has its own height, which is how much? 10.6, right? So if the bases down are equal, if the bases down are equal, and the 3 triangles up, they have the same height, how much? 16, صح? So we have 16, 16, 16, 12.2, 12.2, 12.2, right? So the 3 triangles up, they have the same what? They have the same what? They have the same base and they have the same height. So they have the same what? Area. Got it? But the triangle down, the base, it's done, 12.2, but its height is different. صح? Its height is how much? 10.6. So the triangle on the base has different area from the 3 triangles up. So in your home, what you will do? You will find the area of the base plus 3 multiply area of 1 triangle of them, because the 3 triangles up طلع البيزز إلهم 12.2 12.2 12.2 وتطلع الهايتس إلهم 16 for all the 3. But what's the different height down? Do you understand? But here, what we have here, we have different in everything. Here we have 5, 7, 6. Done? So surface area for this example equal. The area of the base, half multiply. It is base 5. It is height 8. 5 times 8 plus the area of this one. It is half. Half multiply. It is base 7 and the height is the same of this. 7 multiply 10 plus the area of this one. Half 5 multiply. It is height 10 plus the last one, which is on the back. أيوة. Half 6 multiply 10. Calculate. Done? هلا in the homework you can do it like this. عادي. Or if you want to make it easier for you, because you have 3 equally bases, you have 2 parts. First, you find the area of the base, الحال, plus you can say 3 multiply one of the upper one. One of the upper one, okay? 1, enough, because they are the same. Or you can find each one alone. Each one alone, عادي. Done? Now calculate. This will be here 20. Here 35. Here 25. And here 30. Add them. Add. Are you sure? 110. Done? Done? Right. Your homework for today is, yesterday you did the question 1, 2, and 4. Today you will do 3, circle 3, 5 and 6. Okay, done. هلا 3 it is what? It's a prism, triangular prism. طيب 6 square pyramid. 5, I'm talking about 5, sorry, square pyramid. 6, done. Find the surface area for them. That's all for today. Thank you.